Hello students, welcome to this video. With this video, we will learn about our mathematics, another property of mathematics, and what is that property? You you knew so many properties till this year. You have learnt so many properties from your math teachers, and so many home guiders have taught you so many properties, and only we will have to recall those properties. We will have to segregate those properties for our easy learning and for our future learning. So in arithmetic we can perform the examples to enhance our knowledge, to gather more and more knowledge with examples, and we can frame it as a rule, as a property in algebra, in common, and then it will be easy to solve so many problems of that category. And categorically we will have to recall the properties, and we will have to adapt to the properties, and we will have to find out the derivative rules. We will have to find out so many rules of our own according to our requirement, and it is the trick of mathematics. So with this video we will learn another example. Once upon a time, what I faced, that my teacher gave me to do the product of 448 into 589, and he told me, without writing the numbers in column process, try to do. Then I thought, is it easy? How can I do this? Then one of my friend, he had done it very quickly, and I was not able to do. Suppose that person was I, and I was not able to do. So how my friend had done it, I had to mark. He had done it in this way: 400 plus 40 plus 8 whole into 589, and after that he had written 589 into 400 plus 589 into 40 plus 589 into 8. Thereafter, without using the column process, in his mental state he had done this. From right side he had found out the product 0 0, then 4 9 are 36, writing 6 carry 3, 4 8 are 32 plus 3 35, writing 5 carry 3, 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 3 23. Then he checked again, writing 00, 4 9 are 36, writing 6 carry 3, 4 8 are 32 plus 3 35, writing 5 carry 3, 4 5 are 20 plus 3 23. Thereafter he multiplied this and write down quickly 2 3 5 6 0. Then by multiplying this from right side, 9 8 are 72, writing 2 carry 7, 8 8 are 64 plus 7 71, writing 1 carry 7, 8 5 are 40 plus 7 47, and check again, 8 9 are 72, writing 2 carry 7, 8 8 are 64 plus 7 71, writing 1 carry 7, 8 5 are 40 plus 7 47. Thereafter he had got the sum 2 plus 0 plus 0, then 2 1 plus 6 7 plus 0 7, then 7 plus 5 12 plus 6 18, writing 8 carry 1, then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, writing 3 carry 1, then 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 2 3, then plus 3 6, then 2. It was his answer, and he had done very quickly. Then I checked again, is it correct? Thereafter I checked it in this way by multiplying and then by adding 2 plus 0 plus 0 2, 1 plus 6 7 plus 0 7, then 7 plus 5 12 plus 6 12 plus 6 18, writing 8 carry 1, then 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5 13, writing 3 carry 1, then 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6, then 2. So it is correct. How is it? He had to multiply, but here he had done the addition, and what is behind it? After that, very easily, simply he explained me by taking the smaller numbers. He had given me the idea, suppose you are multiplying 8, suppose you are multiplying 12 into 30, okay, in this way. He said multiply, you can do it in your mental state. 12 3 ja 36, writing 6 carry 3, 12 1 ja 12 plus 3 15, it is your answer. And try to do this. What is this number in expanded form? In expanded form it is 10 plus 2. Then which will be multiplied with 13? 12 will be multiplied with 13. So what is the expanded form? 10 plus 2 is the expanded form. That means in place of 12, write down the expanded form, and that should be avoided. That should be avoided by the parenthesis, because in place of that you are writing, in place of one number you are writing two numbers. So they are representing only one. So they should be together with. So make together with, or to get the association of those two numbers in expanded form, in place of 12 you should have to use the brackets, then multiply 30. So if you will add these two numbers, then you will get 12, and then you can multiply to get this as product. And after that, now try to multiply. Suppose here he explained me very nicely that there were two brothers, one is 10, another one is 2, and they were belonging to a joint family, but due to some problem they tried to live separately, but with a relationship, with the relation, familiar relation. They separated from each other but abided with the familiar relation. They have good relation. They had good relation. So plus symbol is here because they had good relations. And 10 plus 2, 10 and 2 both are two brothers, and unitedly they made 12, and 13 is the guest. He came to make relation with 12 when they were in joint family, but when they separated from each other, then the guest 13 came to 12, that means came to these many numbers of people, these two brothers. So made friendship with 10 and also friendship with 2 because it is his cursive. So it is related with our familiar term. In this way, what is the relation of 13 here? Multiplication. So it is guessed for 2 and guessed for 10, guessed for both in the term of multiplication, and they both have the term of joint family, that means that is addition. So made this relationship 10 into 13 plus 2 into 13, that is equal to 130 plus 26, that is equal to 156. Joined together, then got this. And after this, with this very fantastic relationship with our lifestyle, with our familiar relation, and with the relation with the guest, I have understood it better. I understood from my friend it as better. What is written in my book, what was written in my book, that was not understood, but with this example I understood it better. That's why I am sharing this with you to understand it better. And this process, after that he said that 13 distributed his relation with 10 and 2. 13 distributed his relation with 10 and 2, and both are belonging to a joint family. Due to some problem, they were living separately but having relation joining together. That's why it also related with this joining together. So it distributed, 13 distributed his relationship with 10 and 2. That is why this process is known as distributive law of multiplication, because in the relation of multiplication it is distributed, and distributive law of multiplication or distributive property of multiplication over addition. So the property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, if A, B, C are 3 whole numbers, then A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Okay, so if there is a distributive property of multiplication over addition, is there any distributive property of multiplication over subtraction? Yes, there is also the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. How is it? In this way, if A, B and C, these 3 are whole numbers, then A whole into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. It is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. For example, suppose there are 3 whole numbers like 16, 10 and 3. And how distributive property can be adopted? Suppose B is 10, C is 3 and A is 16. Then 16 into 10 minus 3. That is equal to 16 into 7 equal to 112. Okay, but is it meant for this only, or is there any probability, or is there any possibility of this rule? What is the other possibility? Suppose you will have to multiply 289 with 995. Okay, it is not easy to multiply in your mental state, but it is very easy to multiply in mental state. The distributive property of multiplication over subtraction can help you. How is it? You know 995 is 5 less than 1000. So we can convert this number as 1000 minus 5. That means 289 into, in place of 995, we can write down 1000 minus 5. Okay, can you understand? The result of this difference will be 995. Thereafter 289 into 1000 minus 289 into 5. 289 distributed among the difference of 1000 and 5, that is equal to 289,000 minus the product of these two numbers is 9 5 ja 45, writing 5 carry 4, 5 8 ja 40 plus 4 44, writing 4 carry 4, 5 2 ja 10 plus 4 14. Thereafter what will be the result? 0 minus 5 can't be done, so borrow 1 from here. Here will be 8, 9 9, then 10, 10 minus 5 5, then 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 4 5, then 8 minus 1 7, then 8 2. It will be the result. Okay, so it is very easy. Without any rough, we can do by adapting distributive property of multiplication. To make the multiplication easy, we can adapt distributive property as distributive property of multiplication over subtraction or addition, that is according to requirement. If here will be 1015, then we can write down in place of this 1000 plus 10 plus 5 by adapting distributive property of multiplication over addition. Okay, so with this we have completed the properties like closure property, commutative property, associative property and distributive property. Closure property is nothing but related with the group of numbers or set of numbers. If we are doing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and after that we are getting the number belonging to that set of number, that means the process, the operation of whole numbers are done and we are getting the whole numbers as result, then we can say that operation comes under the closure property, or that operation follows closure property. Similarly, commutative property nothing but the change in order, associative property nothing but the make associate with or make groups, and thereafter the distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction only, and it is not related with the division. Okay, and from these we came to understand that addition and multiplication follows closure property, not subtraction and division in all the cases. In some cases they follows, that's why they do not come under the closure property. And commutative property is applicable only for addition and multiplication, not for subtraction and division in all the cases, but in some cases, in rare cases you can find. And associative property, that is also related with the addition and the multiplication, not with the subtraction and the division in all the cases, but in some cases you can find distributive property of multiplication over addition, and another one is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. They are very clear to you. With this we have completed our chapter 2, and I hope you can do all the problems in chapter 2. So your HW is do exercise 2.2 of NCERT book. Okay, thank you all, many thanks.